Today I want to show you the different sizes that you can get with the same product, which is this glass containers with this lid that is not going to leak on you. So they have a smaller one that you can take and put leftovers of food and you can take to work. And I like the glass containers because you don't have to worry about getting stains and looking old or they start getting deteriorated. And these ones will last you. So they're very resistant, very nice. They have this version of it that is the smallest. And then they have this middle version that I also got. They come in different packages, but I've loved them so much that I just decided to go for the different sizes depending on my needs. And then they also have the big size like this. In this case, as you can see, I am utilizing this too. In here, I have some spicy gummies. So some gummies with chili, and that's something that is going to keep them fresh. Look at this. And I am sure that after we're done with this, these will go back as brand new. I'm not concerned about putting anything inside of these containers, which is the main reason why I decided to get them, and now in different sizes. They come in packs of 4. So in this case, I just wanted to show you, this is some matcha powder that we got. So I put it over here right next to where we arrange all the drinks. That way you can see what's inside and you're sure that it's being contained properly. So there you go, some powder. And then also they have this little hole or this little part that you can just open if you want to microwave whatever is inside. You don't have to release completely. You don't have to move or take the lid completely off. You can just open this little vent and that's it. You put it back on. They're, of course, dishwasher safe. And there you go. These are, I only have 2 of it over here. The others are somewhere in my kitchen. And these 4 I just got. So I am excited to have the whole collection of different sizes and to see everything match. Why not? So I hope this video was helpful.